Very good morning, students. I hope you all have revised your previous lesson. Today we are going to do our chapter 8, which is algorithms and flowcharts. So, without wasting any further time, let's dive into the chapter. The name of the chapter is Algorithms and Flowcharts, and the topics which we will discuss here are algorithms, advantages of an algorithm, tools for writing an algorithm, flowcharts, and working of flowcharts. Now, what are algorithms? Algorithm एक list of instructions होते हैं या फिर steps होते हैं जिनको हम require करते हैं to solve any problem on a computer. You think and write the steps required to solve a given problem. Algorithm को लिखा जाता है before you write a program. ये help करता है हमारी to clearly outline the steps and subsequently use for the development of a good program. So, set of sequential instructions जिनको हम use करते हैं to execute a specific task या फिर to solve a mathematical logical problem उसको बोला जाता है algorithm. Algorithm को लिखा जाता है in simple English language and precise manner so that the steps should be understood easily. Let's take some example. So this is an algorithm to arrange a school bag. सबसे पहले step 1 is open the bag, then take out your school diary, see the timetable, go to your bookshelf, take out the books and notebooks, put them in a school bag and close the bag. Example 2 is the algorithm to wear shoes. Go to your shoe rack, take out your shoes, check if they are polished or not. If not polished, then polish them. Take out your socks, wear the shoes and stop. Algorithm 3 to add two numbers. Take first number, take second number, add these two numbers, print the sum and stop. Now, what are the advantages of an algorithm? The following are the advantages of an algorithm. ये help करता है हमारी to think logically and help करता है to identify best approach to solve a problem. It uses a definite procedure. Algorithms are easy to understand, they are easy to implement and they are machine independent. ये easy है to convert it into flowcharts. Algorithms help करते हैं in detecting and eliminating errors from the program. Now we have some rules. जब भी हम algorithm लिखते हैं तो there are some rules यानी कि guidelines for writing an algorithm. ये जो rules हैं ये हमारे algorithm को और ज़्यादा understandable बनाते हैं by different people easily. Follow the rules as mentioned below for writing an algorithm. तो align करना है हमें अपनी statement number को to each line जैसे step 1, step 2, step 3 etc. Always begin algorithm with start. Write each instruction in a separate line and write stop at the end of the algorithm. So these are the rules by writing algorithm. Flowchart क्या होता है? Flowchart एक pictorial representation होता है algorithm का ही. Flowchart indicate करता है flow of the program या फिर instruction. Different geometric shapes का हम यहाँ पे use करते हैं और lines का with arrows जो एक flowchart create करते हैं. Following are the different components of flowchart and their function. तो इसको हम start या फिर stop box बोलते हैं जिसको हम beginning और end में अपने flowchart पे use करते हैं. This parallelogram इसको हम इनपुट आउटपुट बॉक्स बोलते हैं जिसको हम इनपुट या फिर आउटपुट शो करने के लिए यूज करते हैं एंड दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ पैरेललोग्राम. रेक्टेंगल इसको हम प्रोसेसिंग बॉक्स बोलते हैं. जो भी प्रोसेसिंग या फिर कैलकुलेटिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं वो इस बॉक्स के अंदर आते हैं. देन वी हैव दिस डायमंड शेप जो हमारा डिसीजन या फिर कंडीशन बॉक्स है. इसके अंदर हम अपनी डिसीजन मेकिंग या फिर कंडीशंस को अप्लाई कराते हैं. देन वी हैव द एरोज इनको हम फ्लो लाइंस बोलते हैं जो हमारा इंस्ट्रक्शन का फ्लो शो करते हैं. These are represented by arrows. Then we have these connectors जिनकी मदद से हम कनेक्ट करते हैं एक पार्ट ऑफ द flowchart to the another part. Flowchart की वर्किंग कैसे होती है? हमारे पास कुछ मेथड्स हैं जैसे flowchart begin करता है with start and stop like this start and stop. Now problems are broken into smaller steps. हमारी जो problems हैं हम उनको smaller steps में broke down करते हैं. Boxes are chosen depending on the step. Step के accordingly हम boxes choose करते हैं like parallelogram, rectangle, diamond shape. Then in general direction of flow, in a flow chart it is from top to bottom या फिर left to right. Connectors का हम use करते हैं to connect different parts of the flow chart. Now let's take few examples of flow chart to understand. हम यहाँ पे क्या करा रहे हैं? Flow chart to find the product of 8 and 5. तो हमने पहले start कराया read 8, read 5. Product is equals to हमने प्रोसेसिंग बॉक्स में लिखवाया प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 8 into 5 और ऊपर पैरेललोग्राम क्यों आया? बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे इनपुट ले रहे हैं. दीज आर द इनपुट आउटपुट बॉक्सेस. फिर हम प्रिंट करा रहे हैं प्रोडक्ट को एंड देन स्टॉप. एक फ्लो चार्ट टू फाइंड सम ऑफ 125 एंड 75. तो स्टार्ट फिर हमने रीड कराया 125 75 सम कराया दोनों का प्रिंट करा दिया सम एंड देन स्टॉप. फ्लो चार्ट हेल्पफुल होते हैं इन एनालाइजिंग द लॉजिक ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. नाउ Draw a flow chart to input two numbers and find the greater number. तो start हमने input कराया A and B, फिर हमारा decision box diamond आ गया, यहाँ पे हमने condition दे दी is A is greater than B. अगर true है तो वो print करेगा A is greater and stop हो जाएगा, otherwise false है तो वो print करेगा कुछ नहीं और वो stop हो जाएगा. Flow chart to input 5 numbers, sum up, calculate average and print and sum. तो start input कराया हमने A B C D E, sum कराया उन सबका, sum print करा दिया, फिर average के लिए हमने sum upon 5 किया और average print करा दिया and then stop. Let's revise the chapter. Algorithm एक set of sequential instructions होते हैं that are used to execute a specific task या फिर solve a mathematical या फिर logical problem. Algorithms help करते हैं in detecting and eliminating errors from the program. The processing box is represented by rectangle. Flow chart एक pictorial representation होता है algorithm का, and start stop box is used for beginning at the end of the flow chart. Let's do the exercise. First is the correct option. The symbol used for connecting the steps in flow chart are this. Which of the following is used to solve mathematical या फिर logical problems? Flow chart. The processing box is represented by rectangle. Flow chart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm, and the symbol used to show processing that takes place in the flow chart is rectangle. Now, identify and write the names of figures used in the flow chart. So here the first one is ellipse. Then we have second parallelogram. Then we have arrow या फिर flow lines, diamond, circle and rectangle. Let's do fill in the blanks. Different dash shapes and lines with arrows are used to create a flowchart. Geometric. Dash is written in a simple and precise manner. Algorithm. Dash box is used at the beginning and end of the flowchart. Terminal. Dash is a pictorial representation of steps in an algorithm used to solve a program flowchart. And dash are used to connect different parts of a flowchart connectors. So students, this was your complete chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Do revise it once again and also learn an exercise. I will see you in your next video with next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.